sped over, I lit that fucker up, dude. He got 30 rounds in that bitch.
Hey, get up online with me!
You're fucking done!
Hey, at least... Where are you going? Just go over there. Hey, what? Hey, get up online! Hey, where we're at. Hey, Charles, win! No! Fuck!
Oh, my fucking one, dude. Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Boy, dude, I'm dead. Yeah, I shit on my left ear.
Hey, he can still be up. I can hear you, dude. Hey, was it worth it or what?
Yeah. Dude, look at we fucked those people all the shit down there.
Dude, those two people.
You see who pulled up in the white car? I shot that dude in the white car, ran into the fucking building.
Hey, stay low though, stay low, no shit. Hey, Doc, that fucking sniper round hit right where you're at, dude.
I know, dude, he fucking...
I was going to rip the fucking...
Huh?
I can't hear shit. More.
More.
What'd I tell you?
More, you blew up my fucking eardrum, dude.
Did you get that on record or what?